Welcome to Pleopod, where we decode the future of tech. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating and slightly concerning development in cybersecurity, the AI bottleneck. Maya, what's Project Glasswing all about?
Hey, Armin. So, Project Glasswing is Anthropic's initiative, launched recently, to really get a handle on securing critical software infrastructure. They're using their Claude Mythos preview model to proactively find high-severity vulnerabilities. The core idea is to identify these flaws before malicious actors do.
Proactively finding vulnerabilities. That sounds like a good thing, but I hear there's a catch, a bottleneck.
Exactly, and it's a big one. While AI models like Mythos Preview are getting incredibly good at discovering vulnerabilities, the human capacity to actually deal with them hasn't kept pace. We're talking about triaging, verifying, and then patching these flaws. The rate of discovery is far outstripping our ability to respond.
So AI is finding issues faster than we can fix them. What kind of numbers are we seeing?
It's pretty staggering. In the first month of Project Glasswing, partners identified over 10,000 high or critical severity vulnerabilities. Anthropic's own Mythos preview model alone estimated 6,202 such vulnerabilities across more than 1,000 open-source projects it scanned.
10,000 vulnerabilities? That's a huge number, and it sounds like the open-source world, which relies on a lot of volunteer effort, must be feeling this strain acutely.
Absolutely. Some open-source maintainers have actually asked Anthropic to slow down their vulnerability disclosures because they're just overwhelmed. They can't possibly patch everything that's being found. It's a real capacity crunch.
That's a challenging feedback loop. So what's Anthropic's strategy with Project Glasswing, beyond just finding the bugs?
The aim is to provide what they call an asymmetric defensive advantage. Essentially, they're preparing their critical infrastructure partners for a future where super capable cyber AI tools are widely available, not just for defense, but potentially for offense too. They're trying to build defenses that can keep up.
And I assume they're being cautious about releasing these powerful AI models themselves.
Definitely. Anthropic has deliberately held back the public release of their Mythos cost models. They've stated that current safeguards aren't sufficient to prevent potential misuse and severe harm. It's a responsible approach to a very powerful technology.
That makes sense. But what about practical application right now? Are businesses seeing any benefits from Anthropic's AI in cybersecurity?
Yes, and quite significantly. Their Claude Security tool, which uses existing AI models, has helped enterprise customers patch over 2,100 vulnerabilities in their internal code bases in just 3 weeks. That shows the immediate potential when applied in a controlled enterprise environment.
That's a concrete example of AI accelerating the patching process. And what about external validation for these advanced models like Mythos Preview?
Good question. Independent bodies have weighed in. The UK's AI Security Institute reported that Mythos Preview is the first model they've seen to successfully solve their cyber ranges end-to-end. That's a major endorsement of its capabilities in simulating and identifying complex cyber threats.
Wow, solving cyber ranges end-to-end is no small feat. Any other external feedback? Yes, the security platform XBOW reports that Mythos Preview offers unprecedented precision on web exploit benchmarks when compared to existing models. It's outperforming current tools significantly in detecting exploitable vulnerabilities.
So we have AI discovering vulnerabilities at lightning speed, a bottleneck in human capacity to patch, but also clear evidence of AI's growing power in cybersecurity, with companies like Anthropic trying to balance innovation with safety. It sounds like we're at a critical juncture.
Precisely. The challenge is evolving rapidly. We need to find ways to scale our defensive capabilities, perhaps through more AI-assisted tools for triaging and verification to match AI's offensive discovery potential. It's a race, and the stakes are incredibly high for software builders and security teams everywhere.
A race indeed. Thanks for breaking down Project Glasswing and this crucial AI cybersecurity bottleneck, Maya.
My pleasure, Arman. It's a complex but vital topic to keep an eye on.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Pleopod. We'll catch you next time.